In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to deal with issues related to your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max. If you are having problems getting it to work, either it's not powering on or it isn't connecting itself properly to any platform, then follow along to fix these issues. The first thing that I would recommend is to fully charge it. So give it some minutes or even up to some hours to ensure that the battery is 100% charged. Oftentimes, a deeply discharged battery can lead to issues, so by letting it charge fully to 100%, you will be able to ensure that it isn't a problem related to the battery inside. Now, if you don't want to do this right now, or you want to do other things in the time being to try and solve this, then the very next thing that I would recommend is to perform a full reset. This can help alleviate minor issues like this one where it isn't powering on or connecting itself properly, and to do it, you simply have to press and hold the Bluetooth button and the mode button for up to 30 seconds or until you see some sort of change in the LEDs on the headset. If you want to ensure that this works, you can also press the power button as well. So press all of the buttons simultaneously for up to 30 seconds or until you see some sort of activity in the LEDs. Once you see the activity, you can just pair it up normally. So if you aren't aware, to pair this headset to any platform, either PlayStation consoles or PC and Xbox, all that you have to do is grab the USB dongle, plug it into any of the available ports on your console or PC, and if you have the Xbox One, make sure that you set this toggle appropriately between Xbox and USB. Keep in mind that as well that if you have the PlayStation version of this headset, it will only work for PlayStation, and for Xbox, the same thing. So you need to make sure that you have the proper version. Afterwards, power on the headset, make sure that the dongle was properly inserted, and you will be able to find it under the output device on your preferred platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.